Hi, welcome to yet another video by Climatrix Data Lab. In this video, we're going to talk about the comparison operators in Python. So, comparison operators, as the name suggests, are basically used to compare two values or variables. Uh, these are the following kind of comparison operators available: equal to, not equal to. You can see the symbols over here: equal to, not equal to, greater than. Sorry. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So, for example, these are the options. A is here we are comparing the values of A and B. Here we are comparing if A is not equal to B. So here A is greater than B, A is less than B, A is greater than equal to B, A is less than equal to B. Let's see how these look in a Python coding window. So over here we have defined three variables A, B, C. A is 3, B is 5, C is 3, and we'll demonstrate each of the uh, operator here under the comparison operator. So we start with assigning values. I'm running the code line by line. A, B, C, let's get the values 3, 5, and 3. And then the first, the first line number 6, I'm saying A is equal to B. So I'm checking whether A is equal to B. So A is 3, B is 5. So obviously it's false. Next is I'm saying A not equal to B. So it's true because obviously A is 3 and B is 5. Next I'm doing is A greater than B. So A greater than B. So it's false because 3 is not greater than 5. And if I say A greater than C, this is interesting. A is 3 and C is also 3. So A is greater than C. So it's giving false because A is not greater than C, but in this case, actually it's equal to C. 3 and 3 are equal. A is less than C. So 3 is less than 3. Again, it is false because both are equal. If I say A greater than equal to B, so again, it's false because A is 3, B is 5. A is less than or equal to B. So 3 and 5. So it's true because 3 is less than 5. And A is less than equal to C. A is 3 and C is 3. So it is not less than, but it is equal to. So in that case, it becomes true. So that's all about the comparison operators. These will help you build your programming skills as you proceed further. So if you like our video, do subscribe, comment, and share our video. And we'll see you in some other video. Thank you so much.